Hey everybody, welcome back to the second episode of the BMW build. Today I'm thinking my camera falls down. Welcome back to the second episode of the BMW build. I'm thinking today we'll get the engine hot, drop the oil out, see what's inside of it, and then start tearing through the fairings. We'll take the saddlebags off and all that good stuff. So let me just get the other bike out of the way and we'll get the engine running. And we are back. I'm thinking we need to take that cowl out of the way. This thing right here. Wow, even this is hot. How do I get it off? Ow. That is fucking hot. My microphone keeps... What the fuck? Alright. This is gonna be a problem today. You know these Rode wireless mics? They're pretty decent. But if you're gonna use one, I suggest you get a separate lavalier mic that you can just attach to it. Alright, where's my tools? Oh my god, wait a minute. Where is... Oh, there it is. Ah! Let's do this. Yeah. I'm thinking these bolts are like 12 millimeters. Let's see, 12, 13, nope, 14. Yep, there we go. So let's get those out of the way. This microphone is fucking everywhere. Well, we're just gonna have to deal with it. Or live with it. Is it even coming off? I'm kind of afraid to stick my finger in there because this engine is so fucking hot. Nope. That's spinning like a motherfucker. What are you connected to? I need my flashlight. Yep. Figures. Oh shit. I'm missing so many tools. Fuck. I have no idea where my wrenches are missing. This is a bit of a nightmare. The engine is way too hot to stick your fingers in there. And it's not just the engine, but these exhaust pipes are smoking hot. This is a 12 millimeter wrench. I can't see what I'm doing. This is ridiculous. Where are you? God, I wish this wasn't so fucking hot. Boy, I'm about to just rip this fucking thing off. It's like, how the hell am I gonna get a wrench behind there? Fuck me, man. 11 millimeter? Oh, I can't see shit. You know what, guys? I'm gonna cut this and we'll be back after I've got this off because this is gonna take forever. I'm gonna run out of space on my memory card. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Holy shit. All right. Whew. I'm back. Was getting rid of that engine cover a pain in the dick? Oh my god. I'm literally never putting it back. No way. I also had to run down to the store because turns out I don't have the right tools. I needed a 10mm Allen wrench, and the biggest that I had here was an 8mm. But now I got some. I don't have all my tools here, so I'm missing few key pieces, I guess. But luckily, the hardware store is right around the corner, so there we go. Let's see here. There, this fucking thing. The engine has cooled off a little bit since I was away. But it's still, it's still warm enough. This is a fucking huge ass plug. Let's see here. I really, really don't want to get any oil on my hands. I have a feeling that's gonna be a tall order. Fuck. Alright, well, that was a disaster. Oh man. Well, I guess that's why I have this extra layer of protection here. I'm gonna need to go and get some paper. Do I have any paper in here? No. Alright. Well, oil's out. God damn it. Oh, wait, there's paper. Toilet paper to the rescue. Oh my god. Let's see. How do I fish out this tool? I really don't want to get any oil on my hands because I fucking hate it. Alright. I also bought some brake cleaner. I've heard that it's a must-have when working with these bikes. I'm looking at you, Illustrator. I can't get this plug off this Allen key. That's great. Perfect. Also, I need to start making a list of all the gear that I need, like the size of the bolts that I need. Of course, the crush washers, and all that good stuff. Holy shit, this is really stuck. Do I have a hammer in here somewhere? Oh, there we go. Alright, that's full of junk. So, let me get the camera closer here so y'all can see better. The lighting in this room is kind of bad, and it's only gonna get worse as the autumn turns into the winter. But look at the amount of grime on this engine. Holy shit. Like, that's some serious gunk. Oh dear Lord. Fuck. Well, I guess that's all the oil that we can get out of there for now. I can already see I need to order those bolts that go on the valve covers, because on this side of the engine the rubber bushings are pretty much gone. On this side they're somewhat okay, but not good. Brake cleaner, do your job. Clean up all the bolts that I need. It's curious that there's no magnet in the oil drain plug, because it would be a good idea. I guess back in 1984 they hadn't invented magnets yet. Shit. Alright, let's put this plug back in. We're gonna have to use the old crush washer. I'm pretty sure I can get a whole pack of these for like a couple of euros. Alright. There is it. There we go. Come on, baby. Whoa. The threads are really bad. Like, these threads are garbage. What the fuck? What the fuck? No? What the fuck is going on? This can't be right. Come on. Like, seriously? Kind of feel like I want to take the whole oil pan out, but we're gonna save that for another day. But what the fuck is going on with these threads, man? Oh my fucking god. Fucking ridiculous. This is not my day. The threads are fine in this plug, but why are they so hard to get to line? Is there so much gunk in the thread in the oil pan? What the hell is going on? Like, this is seriously fucked up. Maybe? Okay, there we go. Yep. Well, the oil's out. At least the oil is out. What's next? Kind of wish I could go through the oil a little bit, see if there's any metal particles in it. But I don't know. I think I'm not gonna bother. Let's start taking off the fenders. Well, not fenders. Let's take off the luggage racks and the fairings. Alright, fucking oil everywhere. Alright, here we go. I keep saying alright all the time. I guess that's fine. First things first. You see this thing right here? That's the main power switch for the bike. The old owner, I think he got into trouble with his old battery. It kept dying on him or something like that all the time. So, these keys are ridiculous. So he decided to take an extra battery and put it in the side. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's also, I see there's a throttle cable. Yeah. Yeah, that's an extra throttle cable. I think. Looks like it. And is that like a speedometer wire? It kind of looks like it, right? Oh well, let's not get distracted here. I'm gonna have myself like a little sip of a drink. And let's start disconnecting the battery. Holy shit. I think that's like a 10mm wrench. I'm sure I had one in here. There. Now, plus, minus, always take off the minus first. Right? That's what you're supposed to do. It's wow. What a piece of shit. Today is not my day. Well, we need to get this battery out of here so we can start dismantling this weird setup of these fucking things. Like, these saddlebags obviously aren't original, but for some reason the key works perfectly fine in them, which kind of doesn't make any sense. And why are you not coming off? Come on. Come on. What the fuck? There we go. I mean, at least the dude's got a big ass fucking battery on it. 50 ampere hours. So, not gonna run out of power. Oh, one thing that I noticed while driving this bike, or when you first start it, I think the alternator doesn't pump off enough juice when the bike is on idle, because I noticed that the battery indicator here starts flashing or lights up when the bike is on idle. But now that we got that out of the way, I think we need to get rid of these. Or maybe we just, if we could just pull this off as a one complete unit. What the hell is this? Okay. Yeah, alright. Where was the button? There. Alright, I think let's take these off. So that's Allen key 12mm wrench. That's a 12. Nothing stays in my hand today. So it's a 13. Let's see if it's easier to take this off here, or should we just, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, that's a 13. Whatever. Allen keys to the rescue. That's the one that we want. Fuck these saddlebags. Real men don't need no WD-40s. Oh my god. I kind of feel like I'm going to throw most of these bolts in the trash. Unless there's a schmuck who wants to buy these saddlebags. I mean, I think I could sell them for like 20 bucks. I bet there'd be somebody who would be willing to pay that. That's the old cover for the bike. Ugh, fucking these things stink. So there's no bolts in here? Really? There's no way. Is there a bolt in there? Oh wait, no, it's right there. How do I get to it though? This is gonna be a bit of a juggle. Ugh. Fuck. Starting to hate this job with a passion. Let's see. Is that just spinning? I think it is. Yeah, fuck. Fuck me, man. Okay, that's coming loose. I don't know if you can see it. You know what? I think I'm gonna just set this GoPro down on the tripod. So I think I'm just gonna do a time lapse of this whole thing. That way I can listen to some music and it won't be as arduous to look at. So enjoy, I guess, or whatever.
You were on the right track, you were on the right path. A black door in the forest isn't here to taunt us, cause it's going nowhere. You gotta move on, cause shadows in the dark are always coming towards you. Red eyes in the night, you put them out of sight. Don't be paralyzed, move on to Nirvana or Shangri-La.
So here we go. I want to say we're halfway there, but I'm thinking that's gonna be at least an hour of work to get that front fairing off. But we're making progress. There's a few weird hijinks going on in the rear fender fairing thing. Obviously there was some sort of an antenna cable for the radio, I guess, and some bolts that weren't supposed to be there. But it is what it is. It's a 37-year-old bike. Either way, I'm gonna try and set up the camera in some spot where y'all can see better what I'm doing. And I'm gonna do another time lapse if my memory card has enough space in it. So yeah, let's get to it.
Rose-colored lenses, a dent in my senses, my alternate memories, changing how I feel. Stuck in illusion, it turns to delusion. My life is like a screen, framing what I see. Feels like I'm crawling underneath the truth of stalling. I put it off, it's daunting. It tinting my senses, my altered memories, changing how I feel. Stuck in illusion, it turns to delusion. My life is like a screen, framing what I see. My vision's fading, the light of my eyes dimming, colors running, dripping down the rain, change the image to a permanent lie. Maybe I'll just resign, make a world in my mind. Maybe just buy my time, so all of the stars align. Maybe it's fantasy, maybe it's just a dream, but in here I can see you. Display what you wanna see now. Display what you wanna see Rose-colored lenses are tinting my senses, my altered memories, changing how I feel. Stuck in illusion, it turns to delusion. My life is like a screen, framing what I see.
There we go. Shit. Wasn't that a doozy and a half, but we got it off. This part here was a little bit difficult. I think I can get it out with just fingers now. And that's a hefty plate for a headlight. But yeah, we got it off. I still kind of want to remove the muffler, but I think this is enough for today. I'm probably still gonna wash the bike now that all the fairings are off, but I don't think I need to film that. Yeah, now I just need to go and edit this stuff together. But that's what it looks like. It's not too bad. There's definitely a few things that need to be changed, but they might be something that I already wanted to change from the get-go, like the box for the throttle body, the air intake. That seems to be a little bit jacked, because the snorkel just came off like nobody's business, but I mean it's been duct taped together, so it's not really a surprise. We need to get this cover off. As you can see, all these bushings, they're pretty much toast, and we need to fix this, because the previous owner said that there was a hole in here or something, and it's been fixed with like liquid metal or whatever. I think I'm gonna get that, if not welded, I'm gonna make it look better anyway. Engine needs a good wash. As you can see, that the grime is real, but overall it's not too bad. Like, I was expecting the frame to be more rusted. Like, there's definitely some rust in here, but overall it's in pretty decent shape. The tank is gonna get a new paint job anyway, so I'm not really worried about any scratches. I'm gonna get some new emblems for the tank along the way. Front suspension is something that I'm not sure about yet. I think the GXR front suspension mod might be out of my budget. Definitely gonna go with the M unit blue, whatever, because this rat's nest is ridiculous. I labeled only the blinker wires because, you know, that's a headlight. You don't need to really label that. Yeah, I guess that's it for this episode. Next episode, I'll be removing the tank, the exhaust, various bits and bobs. The electricity is gonna go, and we're gonna get to removing the chassis from the engine. So that's it for this week, I guess. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment if there's something you really, if there's something I've missed that should be looked into. And yeah, overall. See you next week, guys.